Okay. Okay, I don't know what that is. Jess and I are hearing a sound that is obviously way louder than a woodpecker. Let's see if we can hear it again. Hold on. Babe, that's not that's loud.
I know.
Woodpeckers.
You know how scratches are. They elude from the camera.
What the fuck is that noise, dude? That is way louder than any woodpecker or anything that should be out in the middle of a forest. I've never heard any sound like that. We're at Hocking Hills State Park at Old Man's Cave State Park on the Brim Trail. See if we can hear it again. I am. Grab us there. I think they don't like us being here, whatever that is.
I agree.
We gotta get off now.